everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here. How are you? I hope you're great. I am fantastic. Beautiful sunny day here. It's cold. It's only 26 degrees, so it's below 0 something Fahrenheit or Celsius. It's definitely below freezing. But it is pretty out. The sky is bright blue and there are no clouds in it, so that makes me happy. And something else that makes me happy, and hopefully it's going to make you happy too. You see, I went to Dollar Tree and to Christmas tree shop this weekend, and if you saw my previous video, and maybe I'll link it up here in the cards. Anyway, if you saw that, you'll see that I bought a little more yarn than I should have. So I need your help. I need your help. I need you to take some of this yarn off my hands. So I'm going to do a giveaway. I've got a bag right here of all the fun stuff that's in the giveaway. First thing in the giveaway has nothing really to do with yarn, but how cute. Oh, are these llamas? So yeah, it's just a package of napkins. I think there are 40 of them, but they're just so cute. I just love them. And I was like, my viewers would love these. My mom just stands there rolling her eyes like, what is she talking about? Okay, so the second item in the giveaway is just yarn. I got all these pretty colors. This is soft gold, and what's this one? Can't find the name of the yarn. Color. I can't find it. I guess it just has a number. But it's like a denim-y blue. So that's really pretty. So there's two. Light pink. So there's 3. Am I going to be able to do this? Let's see. Sometimes the card feels very small. Here's another color. Bright teal. I'm going to use Ginger's method of stacking them on her shoulder. Let's see. Bright teal. Let's see what else is in the bag. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it, you guys. Maybe when I'm all done, I'll be able to hold them up. Okay. And the last just yarn color is ash, and it's a gray color. So there are 5 skeins of just yarn. I'm struggling. How do I do this? Okay, I'm going to try really hard. Ready? Here goes. Okay, so, and my earbud. The earbuds are not part of the giveaway. So those are 5 strands of just yarn by Premier. It's just yarn worsted, and these are 131 yards each. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's about 600 yards, a little over 600 yards there. And I already showed you the fun napkins with the llamas. They're so cute. I would have a picnic just to use these napkins. Could have a llama party. Okay, and 3 more items. The first one is comfy cotton. Can you believe that? $1.99. Holy cow. So comfy cotton blend by Lion Brand. So pretty. And the colorway for these is Enchanting Embers. So there's lots of pinks and golds and a little gray and orange in there. So you're going to get 2 of those. 2 of those. And those, let's see the yardage on those. Those are 392 yards each. So you're getting like 750, a little over 750 yards of this. And the last item in the giveaway I had to get another one, and I'm going to give it to you because I just love these little chicks so much. So I do have mine on my desk at work, but I picked up another one to put in the giveaway because I just love their sparkly feet. Put them in the sunshine, make them sparkle. Anyway, just a fun spring giveaway to tell you all how much I love you and to celebrate spring a little bit. And yeah, just for fun. So if you would like to participate in the giveaway and you want your name in the drawing, all you have to do is like, share, comment, subscribe, all the YouTube-y stuff. And I'm going to give you a question at the very end of the video to answer in your comment, which is kind of silly because all anybody really has to do is just look at all the comments and people know what they're supposed to say. So I'll make it a very easy question. But I do need to say that if you are under 18, you're not going to be able to participate. I have to have all adults. It can only be open for adults. So if you are under 18 and you want to participate, you need to have someone who is 18 participate for you. Okay, someone that, can write the comments and give me their address, and then I can send it to them and they can give it to you, that kind of thing. Okay, so that's one major rule. And I'm going to put all the rules down in the bottom. Excuse me. The second rule is this is open to people in the continental United States. If you live outside of the continental United States, you certainly can participate, but you won't get that. You will get a gift card to Amazon for whatever that would be worth. So like $20 maybe. Sorry guys, I'm kind of poor. I don't have a huge giveaway. Let's see. The last thing you should know is that I am not sponsored in any way. All of the stuff in that bag for the giveaway is stuff that I purchased myself, as would be a gift card if you are outside the United States. So I think that's all of the businessy type stuff that you need to know. And now for the question. Okay, so the question that you need to answer is, what is my dog's name? Now, if you watch my channel very much at all, you probably know this because my dog had a big medical issue about 4 or 5 months ago. Is that how long it was? Yeah, about 5 months ago, where he had a leg amputation. It was big in my life at the time, so I talked about my dog quite a bit. So if you don't know my dog's name, go back and check out some of my older videos, my car chats, and you should be able to figure it out. So I think that's it. I hope that you participate. I hope you enjoy the giveaway. And the drawing. I need to tell you when I'm going to do the drawing. I am going to give you a week, 1 week to do all of the things you need to do, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Answer the question. And I am going to do the drawing a week from today. So next Monday, let's see.
I have to do the math in my head. Let me think. So I think that's the 22nd, right? I think so. Wednesday's the 17th, Thursday's the 18th, 19th, 20th. Yeah, the 22nd. So Monday is the 22nd. I'm gonna have to speed that up. I don't want you to know that I had to count it on my fingers.
Okay, yes. So Monday the 22nd, I will do the drawing and we'll pick a lucky winner and I will get it out in the mail. I'm so excited. I love giveaways. I hardly ever participate in them myself because I so very rarely win. But once in a while, I do. Okay, guys, I hope you have a fantastic Monday. I hope that you are enjoying life and enjoying spring if you're heading into spring. I know our friends down below the equator are heading into fall, so I hope they're enjoying that too. So have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna, I believe, do a live right around this time tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.